Are your medical bills piling up? What if I told you those same healthcare costs could actually help lower your tax bill? That's right. Your medical expenses might be the key to saving money come tax season. Let me break it down for you. Here's the deal. To claim medical expense deductions, you need to itemize instead of taking the standard deduction. But there's a catch. You can only deduct medical costs that go above 7.5% of your adjusted gross income, or AGI. For example, if your AGI is $50,000, only expenses above $3,750 can be deducted. Sound complicated? Don't worry, it gets easier. Now let's talk about what qualifies as a deductible medical expense. It's a long list, but here are the basics. Doctor visits, dentist appointments, surgeries, and even therapy sessions with psychologists or psychiatrists, all deductible. If you've had surgery, rehab, or a hospital stay, those costs might count too. Prescription drugs, absolutely, but only if they're prescribed. Over-the-counter meds don't qualify unless your doctor specifically prescribes them. And don't forget about medical supplies. Things like wheelchairs, hearing aids, and even crutches are deductible. If you've made home modifications for medical reasons, like adding a wheelchair ramp, those costs might qualify as well. Here's an often overlooked one: travel expenses for medical care. If you've had to drive to another city for surgery or treatment, you can deduct mileage and transportation costs. And if you needed to stay overnight, lodging is deductible too, up to $50 per night per person. So if you brought someone along for support, their costs might count as well. Now, there are some limits. Earlier, I said surgery, but cosmetic surgery, usually not deductible unless it's medically necessary, like reconstructive surgery after an accident. Gym memberships? Nope, unless prescribed for a specific health condition. Vitamins and supplements? Again, only if prescribed. The key to making all this work is documentation, documentation, documentation. You'll need receipts, bills, and even travel logs if you're claiming mileage. My advice: keep a folder for everything throughout the year, whether digitally or in paper. It'll save you so much stress when it's time to file your taxes. When tax season rolls around, you'll report these deductions on Schedule A of your itemized deductions. Remember, your medical expenses need to exceed 7.5% adjusted gross income to qualify. But if you've had a high expense year, like surgeries or long-term treatment, it usually pays off. And there you have it, a quick guide to medical expense deductions. I hope this helps you save some money and take control of your finances. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and follow us on LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook at Accounting to Scale. Until the next video, your favorite CPA, Tiffany Gonzalez.